Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to unsend messages on Facebook Messenger. So you have to just open the Messenger app on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So you have to open your Messenger app and open the chat of randomly someone's. So I will open the chat and I will hold the thumbs up to unsend message. So I will hold this thumbs up and click to more on the three dots. So when you click to the three dots for more setting and more options, so this is bump and remove. You have to click to remove because you have to unsend. So you will have to click to remove, and there is remove for me and unsend. So I will choose the unsend because unsend means both were not seen this message. So message unsent. So I will click to OK, and if you read some features you will have to learn more. So you see the message is unsent of message of on messengers. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.